Yorana Manava, welcome to Tahiti, welcome to his islands. Let me introduce you Nathalie Jolibois. She is a famous painter in Moeani in French Polynesia. She also has a gallery and she has beautiful painting with scenery from the islands of Tahiti, Moeani, Bora Bora. You have prices started from $50 to $400. Yorana, this is Hugh My Pearl. Hugh My Pearl is handmade fashion jewelry and he's also a famous vendor in Tahiti. He won first prize at the Heiva Rimai this year in Tahiti. Direct coming from Tahiti, you will find beautiful bracelet with 3 pearls and also beautiful mehura, which is earrings handmade with more. You also can contact Hugh My Pearls on his Facebook page on Hugh My Pearls. Coming directly from Marquesas Islands, Mami Vehine is specialized on seed and shell jewelry. She also participates to every year at the Tahiti Te Rimai in Tahiti. So come and join us to find her beautiful necklaces and also beautiful seed shells jewelry. The range goes from $45 to $200. This is Toreta. Toreta is a fashion handmade clothes. She also participates to the Heiva Tahiti Te Rimai every year in Tahiti. Coming directly from Tahiti, you will find beautiful dresses for girls and for women and also beautiful pareo. All is handmade and prepared in Tahiti. You have a good deal also for the pareo hand painted, started at $15. If you plan on traveling in Tahiti or in other islands, we have 5 archipelagos and we offer also bed and breakfast place which wide range is affordable than hotels. You will find in this website yaora.com every island's possibility where to stay. You can save money, you can travel from the inside of Tahiti and their islands. This is art craft of Michou coming directly from Tahiti. She has beautiful necklaces handmade by mother of pearl shells and also beautiful pearls. She's also famous for all her beautiful necklaces made with mother of pearl shells. Each one of the beautiful necklaces handmade can be the perfect accessory for any event. If you need to have a private sales, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are here in San Diego until the 26th and we will be also present during the weekend in Polynesia from August 25 to 26. Thank you, Yorana and Manava.